Traffic camera video shows a car merging about the speed of traffic during congestion in the afternoon rush hour. The car logs control and overcorrect to the right, strike the wall, and then traverses lanes of traffic to also strike the left wall. A Good Samaritan stops to check on the driver as traffic goes to one lane and opposing traffic backs up due to onlookers. Despite 2 impacts, the crumple zone protected the driver compartment from instruction. The car never achieved true speed limit. The focus involved in the crash. The driver signals to stop traffic on the freeway and then cuts across the 3 lanes of highway. After a crash, large amounts of adrenaline can make it hard to feel pain and assess one's own injuries. Another Good Samaritan to check on the driver. Pedestrians are not allowed on freeways for safety results, and leaving a sense of a crash by walking away is a crime in MN. The car begins to smolder as the driver sighs down for a moment. Unfortunately, she may also have leg injuries. The smoldering car begins to emit black smoke and major traffic. Backups are reported the eastbound lanes. Flames are visible as Minnesota State Petrol arrives on sales with a response time of 5-6 minutes. After determining no one else is in the car, troopers wait for firefighters to arrive. Troopers respond. Code 3 lights and sirens try to find the crash and check her welfare. She could also feel charges related to the crash. The cars is now fully engulfed, resulting in huge traffic backups in both directions. Firefighters are en route.